Assalamu alaikum, student of class 2. How are you? Hope everyone is fine. Here is your teacher and your subject is social studies. And as you know that this revision has started. So today is important places, which is your chapter, and you have to see the words meaning. These all lectures are already uploaded. आपको मिल जाएंगे and you can get it from the YouTube. So just we are revising, revision. It's mean we have to look again. So इसके meanings public, people. Public means people, लोग. Market, place for people to sell and purchase goods. वो जगह जहाँ पे चीज़ें बेची और ख़रीदी जाती हैं. ट्रेडर्स, डीलर्स जो डील करते हैं इस बिज़नेस के साथ. Sorted, organized, just mean when you organize your things. Let me see again and let me explain for you again. Public means people, the number of people. Market, the place for people to sell and purchase, the place where the people they sell and they purchase. For example, when you go to the market and you buy something, you go and buy from somewhere, that place is called a market where you are buying or you are selling. Traders, dealers, those people they are dealing with all these things, they are making a business. So that business people, those they are bringing things, they are selling things, or these have been a big number of selling, and that is called a traders, that people calls traders. Sorted means, for the example, if the things are scattered and you are collecting and you are putting the things in one place. For example, if you have many colors things, if you have 3 colors of pencils, and when you say I take out green in one, red in one, and yellow, you make it separately and you put in the right place. So that is called sorted. आपने sort out किया and then you organized. That means you organize that. So let me revise these words again. Public, people. Market, place of people to sell and purchase goods. Traders, dealers. Sorted, organized. Is there a market near your house? What does it say? Make the list, you can buy there. क्या चीज़ें हैं जो आप बेचते हैं और ख़रीदते हैं? This answer is with you कि आप मार्केट्स के what does it sell? Make the list, you buy there. आप मार्केट्स में, घर के पास जो आपकी मार्केट है वहाँ पे क्या क्या चीज़ें सेल होती हैं आपको पता है. बहुत सारी क्लोथ्स हैं, शूज़ हैं, और यू हैव बुक्स, stationaries, good items, food items. So you can write all these things. You have the answer of this one, you will get it from your lecture. How do you think does the post send and receive the mail? Does the post office send and receive the mail? Really, yes, because post send and receive the mail because they are receiving, but not email, mail they receive. Which shops do you go? You can write any shop. You can say I go to the shop, to the shoes shop, I go to the clothes shop, I go to the medicine shop, I go to the goods shop, I go to the stationery shop. Wherever you can say, you can write it, but I have given you the answer. Practice the draw, the post office. Let me show you. You see, I put it mostly, it has red color, but you can make it any other color. This is a post box, this is a green, this is a blue, and this is a pink. But you can draw any one. And as you know that you will get the assignment also, you have to draw the post office, post box, and envelope. You will get it soon. Anyhow, see you. So still, if you have any questions, you can come and you can ask me. I will make you understand and revise your things. Make yourself ready for the examination. So this is the work which you have to learn and write and memorize these things. First, concentrate that you have to understand. Then you have to memorize, learn, and then you have to write. And I'm sure that you will understand So see you soon. Happy and healthy. Take care. Goodbye. Fi aman Allah.